Along with the family members, an RTO officer came to Tenkasi taking the transfer. As he didn't get the quarters, he didn't wanted to stay there, so he asked for the rented house.
Yes, we'll get it. In Ramasamy Street, the houses will be empty.
Hey, why you suggesting him to go to Jamni Ganeshan Street? Nonsense.
Why, yeah? Is there any illegal activity there?
Sir.
He's telling Ramaswamy, you're telling Jamni Ganeshan.
No, sir. Are you married, sir?
I have a daughter who's about to get married.
Then you will definitely get house there, sir.
What are you saying?
In that street, there is Thiruvenkatam family, sir. Any family with a daughter, if they go and stay there, that house boys love them and get married.
Is it?
Are you willing to give your daughter to that house?
No, yeah. I don't want to go there. Quarters is enough for me.
This is the Jamni Ganeshan house, which made RTO officer shake. Even at this age, he's maintaining his personality. He's the Thiruvenkatam who's carrying the whole city. The one who's putting the die to him. She's the one who was his love. Her name is Lakshmi. The whole family member zodiac sign is Virgo. What? Not able to believe? You have to believe. If he gives missed calls, rivers will start flowing. Patriotism will increase if you play national anthem in theatres. You are believing and staying in this country, right? Then you have to believe this also. By doing love marriage is the only culture, torture and the future of this house. This lovebirds is having 4 prince and 1 princess. Now we are going to witness how they got love marriages. Without knowing the history of the street, one old man with his daughter came to live here. The old guy sent biryani to Thiruvenkatam's house through his daughter Fatima. That girl went and knocked the door by wearing hijab. See, the one who's opening the gate, who's having a naughty eyesight like his father, see how is he staring at her.
Is there any elder at your home?
Hey, am I look like a young kid?
Yeah. Nobody is there?
Grandfather is gone. Father is out. You can tell me the matter.
No. We have came newly to this house. It's Ramzan today.
Happy Ramzan!
Umma asked to give this.
Umma? Okay, give it.
Oh God, not that. Mom asked to give this biryani.
Oh, mom. Okay. This chick is looking like whole chicken. Feeling like eating this now only.
See the one who's talking like maniac? He's the first son, Sadashiva.
Hey, 1 minute. Thanks.
Welcome.
He sent biryani through his daughter. To bring the vessel back, he would have sent someone else. He thought Fatima will bring back the vessel safely. But something else happened there.
If biryani has to be tasty, we have to put lot of onions. Understood?
Okay. Hey, what happened? Oh my God. Is he so negative? Mine is so positive.
Because of that everything became positive in their life. The one who went to teach biryani, see what she's doing now.
Even after 2 kids, you don't know to do biryani? Give it to me.
Don't kindle me. Once is enough, I have fallen.
This is too much. Mix it well.
This area MLA, after resigning his position, in 2021, he went to America to learn about politics. That's why the elections were announced there. All the people voted and came happily with the money. See, he's the second son, Shanmugam. The girl who's marking his Rosie. When she applied ink on his finger, he put his hand on her hand. Then the whole election booth was just a spectator. You know what is he doing now? That day she was putting ink on the finger, now she's putting on the cheeks. As the third son didn't get any lover, he called a priest to do yagam at home. After finishing the yagam, the priest left back the bell. Sarvana took that bell to return it back to priest. Instead of knocking the door, he just started to shake the bell. At home, priest and his wife was not there. Only his daughter was there. While giving the bell, along with the bell, he caught her hand. Now both are shaking that same bell together. Not only Thiruvenkatam sons, even his daughter got love marriage. It's no one else. It is me only. Madan, the handsome. It's me. As the first ticket has to be taken from a lucky hand, he sent his daughter. When I tried to give the ticket, the one who came to book the ticket booked me also along with it. This ticket issuing hands became bucket lifting hands. Oh, you thought that I left out the last son? Now you're going to see his love along with me.
Coffee, dear. Dear, coffee.
Huh? Why did you wake me up? At least in my dreams, my son was in love with a girl. You spoiled the whole thing.
Oh, is it? But I think the way he's acting, he become the priest.
His matter is something else. It has turned cold. Bring me hot coffee.
Oh, ho, ho.
Scent.
Huh?
You do this always. You can't make a girl fall in love. I don't know how you are born to
Dad,
me.
I was not born to you. Why all are getting shocked? I was born to my mom.
Oh, is
I am the reason for that. Don't show your intelligence in front of me. Show it in front of a girl. She will fall in love with you.
Gemini, why can't you be myself like cooking biryani, take care of children? Isn't enough?
Hey, this is your routine. You are expecting me to be like you.
Huh?
The mistake that you guys are doing, I'll never do it.
Mistake?
Mistake.
Yes, Dad. You made everyone get love marriage. Entire village is scared about our family. If I get married, I'll print invitation, give it to the whole village and get married. You guys eat well. Every time about love marriage.
He can't change.
Good morning, boss.
See, always he enters after the houseful board. If you come soon, you can connect somebody now.
Good morning, brother.
No problem inside, right?
It's houseful.
Okay.
Film is very good.
Good.
Already started.
Come, brother.
Why are you sitting
It's
here?
houseful. You go
Come,
inside.
let's go inside.
Only you both can come inside. Please come. Hey, no tickets. It's houseful.
Hey, why are you leaving inside, man? What, ma?
Can we get
Hey.
2 tickets?
Hey, hey,
There is no single ticket also, ma. I'm telling you, no.
Look here.
Please
Please,
go
brother.
outside.
you both come here. Huh? What is it?
Sir, we need 2 tickets, sir.
It's already houseful.
Sir, please, sir,
To
somehow.
Vijay's movie, there's shortage of tickets, sir. There is only way to get ticket. My brother is inside. If you patafy him, then only you'll get tickets.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Go. Hey, don't be casual. Be little sexy.
What, yeah? What do you
Sir,
want?
please give 2 tickets, sir.
Manager?
He's calling. Come.
What happened?
What money?
Tell me, brother.
You have 2 tickets.
Already told them about houseful. Your uncle told them to come here.
Uncle,
Huh?
can't you do your work properly?
I'm seeing the same work.
What pimp work is it? See, you come to the next show and watch. Please go.
Brother told no. Why are you standing?
No
Go
use
outside.
here.
Uncle, why do you do all
Huh?
this?
Please understand my situation.
What situation? Bloody situation.
Girls are going from here? Is he inquiring about me?
I'm working hard for your sake.
Stop all this.
Real
Brother,
pimp
you're
arrived
looking
now.
out for a bride. I see girls are visiting you.
Hey, nothing like that. What happened to our matter?
Nana, brother, what can I do? When I talk about you in this town, everybody got married by loving. And the boy's name is Gemini Ganesan, but he hates love. So they are doubting the bridegroom, brother.
Who said so?
Nana, you don't get tense, brother. Forget the local people. I have marked a bride for you in Rajapalayam. Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, they are coming to your house to see you.
Super.
Huh?
Eh?
What, Ramdas? You thought you will enter the lion's house and do shaving and take selfie and go?
Brother, I have to bring the bride's people to your house only. That is my job. Rest should be taken care by you.
Make them come. I'll take care.
What if I kill him now?
Uncle, I should kill you first. You are
Hmm?
spoiling
Me?
the alliance.
Oh my god.
Look, you let them
Yeah.
come tomorrow. I'll take care. You'll start scratching your head. Take.
Simply is wasting his money.
You
Hey, today you took it from him. Tomorrow you'll take it from my father-in-law. To see that I am waiting.
Why, uncle?
If I'm
You go,
afraid
man.
of this, can I be
Go,
like this?
go, go, man. Useless fellow.
Uncle, go and see if the washrooms are cleaned.
I?
You only.
Out?
Get out.
It's not good for health.
Hey! When she ran away with a guy of a different caste, if she was here with a kid, after looking at the child, I would have forgiven her. But poor girl, just because she was scared of me, she went to a policeman. They separated them and they killed my daughter.
You just give me an order. I will make sure that he won't live in this world.
He should not die instantly. Even he has a daughter. When she falls in love with a different guy, find out and kill him. In the same manner, that girl should die exactly like my daughter. That is when he will understand my pain. Did you understand? Do it, Dad.
Sister, you said you'll not prepare coffee for him, no? I only prepared coffee for my future father-in-law.
Here is the bridegroom.
Hey, it's not for you. Hey, go that side.
Why are you holding that hand? Keep it, he will take
You
it.
Give it to everyone. Please have
Sir,
it.
coffee, sir.
How is it?
For you, sir. Yes.
Sister,
That is a
you
very
also.
good-
You drank the coffee. Now what you'll ask him to dance? That's not possible.
Nobody's going to ask you all that. You first do this.
That's why everyone has landed here now.
Bloody, you be quiet.
This house big boss will come now, see.
Hey, keep quiet. You give it to me.
Oh, where is big boss? Ah, he's there. Father-in-law, you're awesome. He's the one who extends the plate. Shoot him in his mouth. Now you all see what he'll do. Very good, father-in-law. See now how he's coming. Come, faster. Did you see how big he's having?
You don't
Mister,
worry about him. We'll talk
Give
later.
it to me, Dad.
Without my permission, how can you do all this?
Dad.
Don't you have common sense to speak with the bridegroom's father?
Broker Ramadas only.
He does it for the sake of money.
Murder him, father-in-law.
Hey, uncle, stop all this.
You all can go now.
Hey,
If my
Dad,
son gets
please-
married,
please don't
it
go.
should be love marriage.
Please stay back.
Everybody wants to have love marriage. What happened?
You go and die.
Because of your sake, should we leave our tradition? Tell me how much money you want. I will give it to you.
Dad, why are you scolding him? I told him to see the girl. You have anything, talk to me.
Being a part of this family, how can you do this?
Huh?
If you choose arranged marriage,
Super, father-in-law.
another face.
Look here. I'll print invitation and give it to the whole village and get married and show you. Thiruvenkatam family versus one man Gemini Ganeshan. Let's see.
Hey, Jamni.
You come near theatre, you have it.
Hey,
brother,
take your
I'm coming
bag,
with you.
stupid fella.
Ayyo.
Morning, it is sir.
Hey, wait, man, I'll come. Sir, how is the nature of DSP, sir?
Why are you asking?
Why, sir, I shouldn't ask, huh?
Not like that. He's very strict. Because of his earlier problem, he's actually transferred here.
Stricter. Then we'll not have income, huh?
Just thinking about yourself. What about me? Go.
What, sir? You're giving me big shock.
Come man, let's see.
Hey, why are you talking? Shut up and sit, man.
Hey man, what are you saying? How can you arrest everyone?
You only told to do that now.
Hey.
Look, sir, you know everything, right? Pressure from officials. Is that new? This is all common nowadays.
What about the bribe you take from us?
We'll talk about it later. Today, new DSP is coming. Please leave.
I don't have the patience. Say it right now.
This new DSP is very strict.
Hey, the police I haven't seen.
Hey, don't talk. I am not a comedy police that you have seen so far. I am Ukra Pandian. Hey,
Sir.
put everybody in jail except our policeman.
Hey, come man. Come, follow me.
Dear, did you see the house or not?
Hey, I have just come to office now. What urgency do you have? Wait, I will ask and tell you. Look at me.
Sir,
I want a house in this area.
sir, you'll get house in Ramsamy Street, but there's one problem.
What is the problem? I am the DSP of Tengasi. I too have a daughter at home. Let's see what happens. Come.
Sir, if the child is born in jewelry shop owner house, it'll be naked.
What are you blabbering?
Your daughter is daughter only, na?
Bloody. Confirm that house.
Sir, while going to see the house, only tire got punctured. Time is not good, sir.
Look here. The street's name is EVR Periyasamy Road, and you are talking about auspicious
Sir,
time.
car is ready, sir.
This name is only problem. Hey, come here.
Sir?
Are you the area broker?
Sir, not now, sir.
Why you getting nervous?
Sir, I respect police, sir.
Hey, which is Thiruvenkatam's house?
This house only, sir.
This house is vacant now?
Yes, sir.
Open.
What to do? We can't say anything to police. Coming, sir.
I like this house. Tomorrow morning I'm shifting in.
Sir, he is Thiruvenkatam.
Hey, who is that?
He is new DSP to our village. He liked this house, it seems. He gave the advance.
Does he has daughter?
Sir, if I see the police, I get scared, sir. Then how can I ask about the girl, sir?
Rule is a rule. If he doesn't have a daughter, I will shoot you.
Where should I go to get girl? Even at this age, I am single. If there is no girl, he will shoot me. If I won't give house, he will shoot me. Shit.
You're running to burn your fat, right? Will it differ if you get beatings?
Correct, sister.
Do I look like sister for you? Get lost!
Look at this. I'm not able to pin this nail. Did you see a new house or not?
I have fixed a house to your liking.
So should I pack everything now?
But there is a small problem.
Oh my god, if that's the case, we'll not go there. We'll stay here only.
Why, Mom? Don't you believe me?
That's not the case, dear.
Seems you are saying like that. Daddy, we are shifting, that's it. I'm gonna prove them that they are wrong about me. Why, Dad? You're saying nothing? You trust me, right?
I believe you. That is why I have worked at that particular house, you
Super,
see.
Dad.
No, darling, don't listen to her.
Hey, you don't talk. I believe my girl. We both will teach a lesson to that family. You wait and see.
Let it be. I asked about joining musical class. What about it?
That also has been arranged. You can join tomorrow.
I think there is a girl.
I will shoot you.
Oh my god, he will shoot me if there is no girl. I am done. Oh my god, there is a girl.
This guy is like our brother. You can ask him for any kind of help.
Okay, Dad.
Go inside, ma'am.
Mom, his brother for you or me?
Why?
He's looking so old.
Is that important? To whomever his brother. Let's go.
Hey,
Sir?
come here.
Yes, coming, sir.
Is there a girl?
She's very beautiful, more than we expected, sir. Girl is like angel.
Her mom?
Sir?
I just asked. Why are you in shock? Keep it. Enjoy. Game begins.
Oh my god, he's planning something. Don't know what.
Hey, Anjali, where are you going?
To the upstairs, Mom.
You don't have to do all that. Wait, I'll only go.
Careful, Mom. They might get connect with you. Poor Dad.
You go.
What's this? Why are you sending her to do all that?
Why are you asking?
You know about that house people, right?
Hey, I believe my daughter. I am telling you that again. Believe. Now bring me a breakfast.
Yeah. What else do you do other than this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is Anjali. She's
Hello,
a newly
miss.
joined English teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Please take care.
Okay, ma'am. Where do you live?
Ramswamy Street?
What are you talking, teacher?
Why everybody scared about it? No one should live there?
You can live there, but do you know about it? Or just living there?
We know about it. You might feel scared about that family, but you people will watch how we will deal with it.
Hey, control the crowd. Good morning, sir.
It's very critical, sir. Hard to survive.
What happened?
Sir, all drunkards, sir. They have drank illegal liquors. All duplicate. That's problem.
Duplicate? Did you arrest a salesman?
It's done, sir. The accused is Shankar Perumal.
Who is that?
He's the head of village panchayat. Rowdyism, real estate, duplicate liquor. He's involved in it. If we file any case on him, the minister will call us.
He has to stop all this within 1 week.
Brother, inspector is coming.
What, Inspector? A sudden visit?
There's new DSP in town.
What? Does he need money?
No, they've asked you to stop everything.
Is this a small matter to stop it?
Boss, that also can't stop immediately.
You just say I'll meet him soon. Go.
So, shall I leave?
Have it. Go.
What, boss? He's telling like this.
If you're afraid of that uniform, you can't be a politician, okay?
What man always seeing Facebook?
I am giving like to your photo only, dude.
man.
Gemini came. Come,
Brother,
dude.
one tea. Good morning.
What, bro? I've heard there's a new girl in the street.
Hey.
What is the use, dude? We can't do anything in front of his family. Huh?
Correct, brother. My granddad liked a girl and she was snatched by your granddad.
Oh.
And then His dad was in love with a girl and she was snatched by your dad. In the same manner, even this girl will be connected to you only. What do you say?
Hey, you all know that I don't like love from childhood. If possible, any of you try. Take cancel.
Hey bro.
Jiminy.
Pay the bill and go.
I will pacify that girl, you see.
Hey, idiot. Do you know who is her father? Huh? Beware.
The DSP is transferred to this village.
After coming to know who his daughter is loving, we have to kill him and leave this place.
Hey, Mari, give that sword. That's it, brother. Let's finish.
Keep the spirit only.
Greetings, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I am Shankar Perumal.
What's the matter?
You said to stop everything, right? That's why I'm here to see you.
You have seen me now. Get out.
Please take it, sir.
I asked you to get out.
Each and every officer will be enforced like Netaji. They all become calm when they see Gandhiji. I have seen many officers, same as you.
Hey, get out of my sight or else I'll kill you.
Keep it inside, sir. I have many models of this. You are just showing off. Huh.
But yeah, is it ready?
I'm ironing your shirt only, boss.
You require 90 minutes to press my shirt, is it? Make it soon,
What,
yeah.
brother? I have 10 hands. Can't you see? It takes time.
Make it soon. I want to go to work.
Wait, brother. I will make and give.
I'm getting late for school. Please iron this.
Keep it there, ma. I will do it later.
If they come in nurse, you will do quick.
Not like that,
You
ma.
mean should I come in nurse?
Oh my god. No. Wait for a second, ma. Take it, brother.
What you all this? Is she talking
Beautiful
like a girl?
family, brother. Very nice girl also. You go, brother.
You are the one who got them here, no? You have it one day.
Give, ma. I will do.
It's not urgent. You do it tomorrow.
You didn't came here for iron. You came to see him.
Without putting shirt button, where is he going? Something fishy. Hey, off-boiled fellow. What's happening here?
Can't you see nothing happened? In your family, without track only you will go and train.
Huh?
But this girl, with the track, she will reach the train. Without talking to Gemini, she made him to go away.
He's not ready to drive now.
Huh? At least you go help him
Few
start.
vehicles will start by itself. Few
Ah.
vehicles need a push to start. But I don't know how this will start.
What I am trying
You
to tell.
don't say anything. You look into your own business. I will look into mine. Shut your mouth.
How can I shut and work?
After shutting it, open it and do it. Always
brother.
talking
Okay,
nonsense,
okay.
silly fella.
What, teacher? How is your life going on there?
Whatever you said is right.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. Morning from that home, a guy came in nurse to impress me.
What, teacher? Six pack is it?
If you're free, come that way. I'll show.
Oh, no ways.
Sir, in Perumal's matter, out of 7 people, 2 actually died.
File FIR.
Okay, sir.
You just go now and give it to our auditor.
Okay, boss.
Leave now itself.
No one should be spared. Arrest everybody. Hey,
Huh? All these days I thought I was drinking original, but this is also duplicate. Boss, DSP boss.
take him away. Your duplicate chef has killed 2 people.
Talk to the minister.
Hey, your time has come.
DSP, sir, you will pay for this.
Only if I let you out.
Sir, please leave me, sir. Sir, please,
What
please
is
leave
it?
me, sir.
You should have given it before only, na? Go. Sir, I'm bringing him, sir.
Leave me.
Come, my princess.
Dear, police families are very strict, isn't? Will they come if we invite them?
When policemen call us, we will go, no? Same way, when we call them, they have to come. Mainly,
Correct.
they will like people like me. Like you only.
Hey, leave, no.
You won't allow to touch you anywhere. Look at your face. Go.
What else can you think of?
In this, you want makeup and all.
Please come.
There is a small get together. Evening we have a puja. So we have come to invite you and Anjali.
Mother is so beautiful than daughter.
Keep quiet.
Nothing. If you come, we will be happy.
Thank you so much for the invitation, but sorry, we are going to temple, so we
Oh,
can't
is
come.
Our house is like one temple. You come and see. You will get to know everything.
Yes, madam.
What's the matter? Tell me.
Oh my God, you come here.
Nothing,
Good
uncle.
morning, sir.
We have a get together, so we came to invite you guys.
Hey, you take Anjali along with you. I'll come late.
Oh my
huh?
God,
What's
escape.
wrong?
You are very beautiful. You please come, huh?
Do come.
Don't show your face in close up. She'll get scared. No, come.
What, sir? Standing like Robo? You don't want to go?
Nothing, sis. If your mother didn't come, it's okay. If you come, I have many plans keeping you in mind.
What did you say?
No. The dishes which you like, everything is there.
Definitely he'll be having some plan. It's me, Anjali. Welcome.
I like this fruit very much.
It's our fruit.
I thought it is on idle.
Go faster. We should make it in good time.
What, brother? Girl is good looking, right?
I promise you, brother. She's like a golden beetle.
Simply don't blabber.
No, brother. I'm telling you the fact. She looks like Tamanna.
If the girl is not like Tamanna, then I'll become Ramana and kick you out of the car.
Hey, why, uncle?
He's lying, bro.
Don't talk unnecessarily. Keep driving, huh? They're all waiting there, huh? Yes, okay. Come. Come, brother.
Hello. Welcome.
He's the bride's
Hello.
father. Come. Let's go.
Come in.
Hello.
This is bride's mother.
Mother?
Yes, brother.
Hello.
In this town, they are respectful family, huh?
Who is this uncle coming and
He
going?
looks like one old villain, brother.
Shall I call my daughter?
Why so much late? Call her soon.
Sir, please have it. I'll get the girl. Madam, is a girl ready?
He's in very much hurry. Brother, did you see the girl? She looks like she's just matured. His mouth is already busy. No, come this side. Hey, you said she's beautiful. This is what you call beauty, huh?
Take this. No. Specially made for you.
Nothing less for all this.
Brother, please take it.
What a voice.
You
Amazing.
too.
Brother, do we require all this? Get up and come. We will see another girl.
Hey,
What are you guys murmuring?
He ate potatoes. That is why we were whispering.
He be quiet, brother. Bridegroom likes the bride very much.
I know very well this guy likes my daughter. But the thing is, my daughter should like this guy. That's important.
Disgusting.
Baby Aishwarya.
What did you call?
Aishwarya.
Don't call her outside like that.
Is this guy okay for you?
I think the girl is having some illness. Isn't it?
She's too shy.
Please inform into it.
I like this guy very much,
Oh,
Dad.
is it? This guy is lucky fellow. My daughter rejected so many guys, but accepted him. Then one more thing. If you arrange marriage for tomorrow itself, I have no issues. I will take care of all outside arrangements. He will take care of inside arrangements.
we can make out if we see him only.
Brother, look at there. Now I'm coming to know the color combination. After seeing the girl only, I came to know all the work he's only done at home. What did you like in the groom?
If I marry him, I can see new things, right? So I said okay.
What?
He runs a theater, right? So if I marry him, every week I can see new movies, no? So I said okay.
What an intelligent girl. What an answer she's giving. Never even imagined. If you marry him, you will suffer more.
What do you mean, bro?
What is my father-in-law's condition? If he does love marriage, then only he'll get the property. Otherwise, no bread to eat. Think wisely.
Oh my god. Even though he's average, I said okay because he's running theater, right?
Normal.
If I couldn't watch the movie, I don't want this guy, da.
Oh my god, he only saved us.
Please, you should forgive me. My daughter is too stubborn. I can't do anything. I am sorry.
We know that you can't do anything because he only does all the work. Get up, brother. Till the end, you keep this only in your hand. Hey, come on.
Sir, please stop, sir. Sir, please, sir.
They are saying this is a
Sir.
respected family.
Sir, I will talk to the girl and I'll make sure she'll accept.
Take your hand, let me hit you once. Wait. What man? Is that girl an obstacle for you? I know what you're doing over there. I'll beat your butt, see now.
Sir.
Get
Sir,
out.
please, sir. Sir, please, sir.
It's so easy to get a girl, but getting a chilled beer so difficult. Come, brother. I've got a drink for you. Look at here. Eh? What happened, brother? You're so sad?
Unless you are with me, how do you think I can be happy?
What are you saying, brother?
When we went to see the girl, you spoiled everything and having a drink here.
I know that you are thinking that I have spoiled everything. But there is one big reason behind this, brother, you don't know.
You also have flashback.
Now I need this. Flower. This is making me so tempted. Let her come. Now I'll show her. Oh, she's coming. Today I will not leave you.
Take the milk.
Give. Vessel. It is so fresh. Sit down. What morning things she's doing at night? Let's switch off the light.
It is not required, I guess.
Even I like that. She's sitting in a position. Let's start from the bottom.
What are you doing?
What everyone does at first night, that only I'm doing now.
First change the mindset of my brother who says that he wanna get arranged marriage rather than love marriage. Then we can celebrate our first night.
No, darling. From tomorrow I will start that work. Today let me do this work, no.
I said no.
See, darling, see what all they have arranged. All this bed, flower, this dry fruits, everything they have arranged. Nothing should go on waste, no. Please adjust, no. Only today let me see the opening show, no.
You just shut up, I say. No means no. Once I said is what I say forever.
Your mouth should be blasted with cement. Give me one banana and green tea. At the time of eating fruit, she's making me drink green tea. Keeping a face like ambassador car, she's torturing me. This is what happened, brother. Brother, where did you go? Such a big flashback, brother.
Take, mix it with milk and give. Everything will happen right. Don't disturb my life simply.
This? Let me see in the light. What has he given to me? One is enough to make two works. Not one. 9 I will put and keep working till the morning. They will say brother-in-law is like one god. For this also. My dear Aarti, this is for you. Can't forget this day. This normal Madan here onwards will be proved as a Manmadan. Where is the item? Anyone is coming. So hot. Pour it. I have put the tablet. Now, can't resist anymore.
Hey, my son. Hey, what is this? All waits for the clocks turning 10. Then they close the doors. You know, in our time we were not closing doors. Why you people are so hurried to lock the doors? Silly fellows. Oh, you.
Father-in-law.
What's in your hand?
It's milk.
For whom?
For your daughter.
Okay, come here.
I'll not come.
I said come.
Why this old bugger is eating my head now?
From 3 months I have not seen the accounts book. Go and get it.
You want to see now?
I want to see it right
Okay.
now. Why are you taking it? Keep it here. Keep.
God.
Go.
This old bugger's torture is unbearable. What to do?
Doesn't do anything immediately. Always questioning. Why? When? How? I don't know when this guy is going to make me a grandfather. He's just grown big, like a balloon.
Father-in-law.
3 months I have not seen this. Now I saw. Keep it back. I said keep it back.
I'll keep it tomorrow.
You should keep now.
Lilliput, you will pay for it later.
At this time he is just alone. Don't know what he is up to.
Father-in-law, milk.
I was feeling some uneasy, so I had it.
It's not ginger milk, father-in-law. Oh God, don't know what is going to happen. He made me a watchman now. Mother-in-law, you will die now. He might be playing in silent mode, I think. Achoo. Am I a son-in-law or something else? He made me to sit here now. Mother-in-law?
What, dear?
Yes, I am only.
What did I give to your father-in-law? Goat milk?
Amala Pal. Did he drink all the milk, mother-in-law?
At this age, can I bear it? Why did you do this? Whatever it is, after so many days, it was good.
At this age, how did she bear this? Don't know how much he would have tortured her. Where is our father-in-law?
My dear boy, I should say this. That milk, it is superb. I need it daily. Okay?
4 days, if I give this milk, then permanently he'll switch off. Theatre guy, no? That is why he's getting ready for another show. Don't know when is my movie is getting released. Since I got married, I'm keeping my hand on this doom only. Don't know who will come as a bride for this house.
What, sir?
Look at her. Think of the devil and the devil is arrived already. Tell me, sis.
I'm observing since I came to this house, you're continuously cleaning but no one is riding it. Why? Is it a showpiece for you?
To drive this bullet in our house for our father-in-law and other male members in this house. For them. Why? For me also there's no rights.
Why no one know to ride?
It's not like that. If Gemini permits, then only it will be driven. One day he will change his mind and fall in love. One day he'll start that bullet and put his leg around and he will sit and come as a prince. That is what everyone is expecting in this town.
What's there between Gemini and your bike?
The only bachelor who falls in love should drive that in this house. Apart from Gemini, everyone married. That also love marriage because that is a tradition. But this guy doesn't like love marriage. One day he will fall in love, no? Then he will drive the bullet, no? That is why I'm cleaning now.
Your nuts are not proper. Who said Gemini will not fall in love? He keeps staring at me every time.
What you're saying, sis?
Yeah, when I go to store, he'll be there. Near iron shop, he'll be exposing the body.
What is there in his body to show?
But I won't bother about it.
Who Gemini sees you? This I should believe. Why you simply bluffing around? He would have just stared at you with anger, not as you think in love. Think about it.
Oh yeah, you're saying right. I might be thinking wrong.
You can also love him and get married because in this house, not only for guys, same rules for girls. That is why I became son-in-law to this house. My father-in-law's side set may be suspicious, but he's clean from the heart. He won't give importance to caste, religion, anything. He gives importance only to the love. You have seen, no, how happy we are.
Seems it will rain now. I'll leave.
Kindly. 1 minute, sis. Everybody in our family likes you. It's not necessary that Gemini should come forward. Even if you show interest, this bullet will start.
Expected.
Is it okay? She's perfect, I think. In movies, how hero and heroine comes on the bike. Like that, one day you and Gemini will come on the bike. The day he rides the bullet, that day I will ride my wife.
Hello, sir.
What's going on? Let me know if you can't handle this. I will keep another lawyer.
What can I do, sir? The officer completely hates you. He won't leave you. Everything will be fine soon. We'll finish it in this week.
Or else I will finish you. Mind it. Go.
Okay, sir.
You all should study well, like uncle.
Okay,
You
uncle.
being so late for school?
Get down, dear. You
Why are
get
you
down
coming so
slowly.
late? Today you will get punishment.
Teacher, you were the one who told to bring my uncle. That's why it got late. You don't have to punish me. Punish him.
That I will see. You just leave now.
Go comfortably.
Bye, uncle.
What are you looking at? From tomorrow you have to be on time. Got it?
Why do you want me to get the kids?
Felt like seeing you. That's why.
First, you go and see a good doctor.
Teacher,
Yeah,
you want
tell
to
me,
see his
teacher.
body? Shall I make him remove it?
Oh my god, teacher, what is this?
Hey, what do you want me to remove show?
You're not eligible for that. Leave it.
Hey, where are you
Leave,
going?
brother. Still, how many days we have to wait?
What are you
It
talking
don't
about?
suits you. I'm telling right.
Kill and let's leave.
Don't make it hurry. Let us confirm that for her he is important. Next second we will take his breath out.
Leave.
First, I'll change the school for
Let
all
me see
kids.
how you'll change.
Brother, go first, brother.
Don't you be worried. Yeah, you come here, no? No one can catch you. Hey you, before the good time lapse, give him the thread. Hey you, Subramani, what you doing nonsense? Sir,
Who are they?
sir, they are lovers. Both of them are major. This girl uncle is a minor. He didn't agree, that is why we thought of getting them married.
Why the hell are you doing this? Are you a priest, pastor, or a saint? Is this a registrar's office? Instead of studying, you're all loving. Listen to your parents and get married. If I see you both together around in this area, I'll kill you. Get lost.
Sir, why did you send them out? You know where they'll go now.
Come, let's go to him.
Huh?
How dare you come here to ask my blessings, huh? I will not leave you.
Sir, don't beat them. I already told you, no, that they will do it.
Who the hell is that?
That's me. What's your problem, sir? They both are major. If they seek your help, it's your responsibility to give it.
They will be against their family and love, and we have to protect them, is it?
Don't talk bad about love, sir. My family won't accept it. In our family, we won't accept arranged marriage.
Daddy, in my family, there is no love marriage yet.
That is your fate. You are staying in front of my home. You have a daughter. I have a son. If they both fall in love, what will you
Stupid
do?
fellow. Close your mouth. My daughter is not brought up that way. She is not like that.
Let your daughter say this, sir. Just in case. If your daughter loves my son, then what will you do?
I will kill.
Then you go to jail. If you kill the lovers, we don't spare you.
Only time will answer.
A small correction. Love is the one that answers everything. Lovebirds, come, let's go.
Why is
Just
she
stop,
blocking my
stop,
way?
stop,
I
hold
don't think
on.
she'll ever
Stop
understand.
it.
Hey, what do you want?
It's been a month that I came to that home.
Is it? You're gonna give the rent? Give. I'll take and go.
No, giving my life to you.
You think I fell in life? You need to support me on
You
this.
didn't fall, but I fell for you.
Are you hurt by any chance?
Comedy.
Maybe.
So many have told before we come there. Your family get connected with any girl it seems? Asked with so many, you're the one who left. But in this 1 month, you didn't get connected anyway.
So what?
I have decided to love you from today.
Huh?
What are you looking at? I'll be waiting in the temple. Come at 5 o'clock.
Hey, go yeah.
Hey, hello. 5 o'clock. Don't forget, please be there.
I'll tell the manager and go. Okay, okay. Hello?
Is this Gemini?
Yes?
I'm A2. Can you come to station?
Why should I come?
To know whether you're Gemini or Gemini Ganeshan.
Oh,
Will you come or shall I come there?
I will only come.
That's good.
What could be the matter? His uncle did something wrong. Why they asked me to come here?
Come man, Gemini Ganeshan. I thought you are only good person in your house.
Stop it, sir. In my family, everybody is good only. Tell me the matter.
Why are you torturing one girl to love? Complaint has come.
Who, sir, gave complaint on my name? I'm not that kind of a guy, you know.
If you agree, that person comes directly.
Let them come.
Madam,
This female is it. Sir, she's one fraud, sir.
huh?
She's asking me to love her and torturing me.
What you are saying, man? You know who she
Is she a
is?
daughter of Ambani or Adani? DSP daughter only, right?
Hey, what you are speaking with ego?
Sir, if that girl doesn't have job, you also don't have, is it?
Madam, you give permission. I will put him in lockup and show him what I am.
It's okay, uncle. First time, right? Just warn him.
Okay, madam. You go. I will look after.
You're getting me all the way to station.
Brother, it's a good time. She forgive you and let you. Next time I won't be speaking. Be careful.
I got scared, sir. Bye, sir.
Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Da,
Hey,
da, touch
stop.
me.
You're the one who told me that you love me, right? Then why are you complaining?
What did I say to you?
What did
You're
you say?
supposed to be at 5. How long should I wait? That's why I complained.
Hey, look here.
Tomorrow I'll be waiting at the same place. If you don't come, I won't spare you like today. Be careful, don't play.
Why is she threatening me so much about this? Should I go or no? Look at her face. Why is she coming here?
What are you looking at? Just leave.
Come, Anjali.
Uncle, I want to speak something with you.
Go ahead.
In spite of teaching you a lesson, our family came to that house. Now I surrendered.
What do you mean?
Yes, uncle. Me and my father, we thought to teach a lesson to the one who loves me in your family. But after seeing all of you, got to know family should be like this. More than 6 months, my father won't be at same place. That's why I don't have much friends also. Being his daughter, I started thinking like a cop. But after seeing your family, I'm willing to be a part of this.
Don't talk like this. You two belong here. You can come anytime you need.
Not that, uncle. Like these 3, I wanna be a part of this family.
Oh, this is the thing. I know my son is too slow, but you are too fast. Lakshmi, bring the kumkum.
Yeah, coming. Kumkum has not yet come. Take Kumud.
I didn't ask for this book. I asked for God's kumkum. Come, dear. God bless you. From now onwards, you are my daughter-in-law.
Bye, uncle.
Tell me what's your problem?
Sir, I stay right opposite to your house. I'm a son of Thiruvenkatam.
I know. Tell me.
In my family, everybody got love marriage, sir. But I hate love marriages.
Really?
Yes, but one girl is torturing me, asking me to love her.
You tell me who that girl is. I'll warn her and send.
That's nobody else, sir. Your girl only.
Hey, whom are you talking to? What nonsense?
Keep it down, sir. You're also behaving like every girl's father. I know that you will not trust my words. Today evening, your daughter called me to the temple. You come there, you will know all the truth.
Okay. 5 o'clock, if she's not there, by 5:10 you'll be in jail.
Come, sir. We'll see that later.
Come.
Come. Stop, sir. Come, sir. Come. In anger, don't hit your daughter, sir. Poor girl. See your daughter, what she's doing.
Anjali!
She has come with her mother.
What's this? You're here in the temple?
I came on Rams. Thought I'll come to the temple and pray.
is it?
Pray God, is it? He's also lying like daughter.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Look how she is staring at me.
Hey, who asked you to come to the temple? Is it my wife or my daughter?
Now what are you trying to tell?
Why did my wife come here?
That you go and ask your wife only.
Further, if you talk nonsense about my daughter, I'll peel your skin off.
Why are you talking like a mad and going? She's fooling you royally. God, you only save me from that girl and the family.
Take it, sir. Keep it. What? Why are you saying like that? Take this.
What's this? You are here with 500 rupees? You need any favor from me?
But Jamini is there, no? He's not coming out. Give me some idea, no?
Oh, you are giving this for idea.
Yeah.
This is not enough for the idea.
Then?
At least if you give 5,000, we can make it out easily.
It's not about money, but idea should work properly.
My idea will definitely work. Auto, hey Auto. Let's pay amount later. Come.
Be here.
Please wait, brother.
God bless you all. Let all be happy. Oh.
Greetings, priest.
What is the problem with the kid?
He's calling you only.
Child.
Priest, she's loving a guy.
Oh.
That guy is not caring at all. Please do something about it. Make him to love her.
That is not a problem at all. Whatever it is, I will rectify.
Do you accept card?
I know only God, not the card.
Priest, swiping. Okay, give the cash. Take it, priest.
What is the name of the boy?
Gemini.
Gemini. Oh, coming new moon day night. Open the bedroom door. Kid should sleep. Exactly 12 o'clock that boy will enter the room.
Are you sure?
Swear on the goddess I'm telling. Kid, you can happily go now.
Don't bother about me. If this won't happen, police will raid this.
Oh my god.
Understood? I'll leave.
You go, I will come. Priest, my commission?
Hey, go man. We'll see that later.
Okay, I will take it together.
Money, cash. I like only cash. Oh God, bless us all. Bless us all.
Good morning, priest.
Welcome. What is the problem with this guy?
A girl is torturing him to love her. You should save him from the torture.
My boy, if you give 5,000, your problem will be solved.
I don't have so much and all. I have 100 rupees. That too for fuel.
What boy? You can add 1 rupee to that 100 rupees and you can give no.
Take, put 1 rupee over it and give.
For your work, I should pay.
Boy, what is the name of the girl?
Hey, you tell.
Anjali.
Anjali.
Hey, I'm next to you only. Don't shout.
bless us all. Listen carefully. Coming new Monday at midnight 12 o'clock. Go to her bedroom and pick one hair from her head and bring it to me. That I will put in one thread and do black magic. After that girl will never come in your way.
I'll beat you up. You're not a priest. You're
what
a
are you doing?
spoiler. Is this the idea you give?
Brother. What brother? Did he ask for her head? Just a hair, no? If a hair is a solution for your problem, you should finish it right.
I wouldn't have heard if anybody had spoken about hair. Since you are talking about it, I have decided. I'll get her hair. Hey!
Oh, this is your uncle's room?
Yes.
Half girlfriend. He won't relate with this book.
Oh my god, uncle is coming. Come, we'll go.
Shh, come, let's hide. Shh, don't speak. Hey, come.
Hey,
Get quiet.
why did you come inside my room, yeah?
Come, we'll
Who told you to come inside?
Run.
Give me a towel. Where's my pant? Hello?
It's me, Anjali.
You're not Anjali. You're my headache.
Oh, greatest joke.
Keep my comedy aside. Now tell me, why did you call?
By the way, where are you?
I'm in the street.
You be on street or home, I don't want. I'll be waiting in the market. Come at 10 o'clock.
I'll not go in search of any market. I have a market for myself. Go to school and make the kids study well. Go. What has she sent? Oh.
I know you will call me again.
Hey,
Is your photo looking good?
why did you take the photo?
No, I'm behind you since so many days. You're not even looking at me. To make sure your organs are working properly, I took a photo. Everything is proper, then what's your problem?
If I get angry, you don't know what I will do.
I got to know all that before calling you. Don't talk too much, just do what I say.
I will not come. What will you do?
Nothing big. I have your photo, right? I'll just edit and make a slide of it and project it in your theater.
Where should I come? Tell and die.
Good. Come near the market. Sharp 10 o'clock.
Che. I should get her caught with her dad. Only then she'll understand.
Hello. DSP Ukkara Pandian.
Sir, I'm Gemini talking.
Tell me.
Sir, your daughter is calling me to the market.
What the hell? Did she ask you to buy vegetables? Cut the line, man.
Hey.
Sir, what is the problem?
Bloody. This Gemini is giving me all sorts of trouble. He's always telling me my daughter asked him to come here, there, everywhere, huh?
Sir, I'll tell something. You don't mistake me.
What?
I think your daughter really loves him.
I know my daughter very well, you know.
Sir, you trust your daughter, no? Then let's go there. If your daughter is there, then you'll agree.
Driver,
Sir?
now go to the market.
Hi, sister. How are you?
Hey, brother. I'm doing good. Where are you?
From the airport, by getting a car, I'm coming directly to the home. Give the phone to my darling Anjali. I want to talk to her.
Just now she went to the market.
Went to market? Don't you have sense to send a girl to the market? Okay, I will pick up her in the market only. Get ready to welcome us, okay?
Yeah, sure, come down.
Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Please help
I
me, sir.
can't bear this beggar's irritation. Take it.
Sir,
Go away.
100 is not enough. I need to pay GST.
What? GST also there?
Yes,
What are
sir.
you saying, man? Beggars also having GST. What is going in this nation, man? Are you paying the tax correctly? Huh? Go away.
Thanks a lot, sir.
You guys are only
Thank
wish
you,
we
sir.
give money. It's been good, right? Poor guy and rich guy are become equal in India. Who did this? I wanted to meet him once. Huh? Hey, stop it, man. Can't I pay just 200? Huh? Where is she now here? Huh? Hey! Only because of 200 he carry my jet passport, huh? It's okay, anyway it is duplicate. It's not difficult to take it again. Where is she here now? Hey!
Boss, welcome to India, boss.
Hello,
I am
boss.
good. Flower is okay. Where is the band, man?
We had arranged, but in neighbor city, there's one death. They have gone there.
You need to tell him first attend this, right?
Leave that, boss. Why you have called us here?
To carry the waste vegetables. Hey, my sister's daughter Anjali is here in this market.
Oh, is it,
yaar.
boss?
I want to see her. That's why I came here.
Okay,
Boss,
boss.
you will look at her, but will she look at you?
You waste body. Come. Hey. She's your girl Manjula, right? She's going with someone.
How should I say, boss?
Huh.
I lost my phone one day. He theft it. In only one call, she went to him.
You lost her. You're saying like losing a bus ticket. Chai. You know how the lover is to be?
How, boss?
She has to be like my Anjali. After so many years, I'm coming back. She's running towards me to see her fiancé. She came by running to hug me and kiss me.
Super, boss.
And after giving a rotation, that's called the love, man. You are telling a bullshit love. You nonsense
good.
lover. Let's move.
Boss, what were you doing in Africa?
In Africa, I am doing diamond business. Hey, if you see the color combination of them, they are also our brothers. That's why I'm helping them. Got it?
Come on, Prince. Why are you coming alone? You didn't call my dad?
Your dad is also like you only. He's not believing anything.
Your father-in-law. He'll be like that.
Hey.
Leave that. Why are you late?
Hey,
Okay. Waiting for a lover is not big deal.
Brother, definitely she is in love with that guy.
What? Anjali loving someone else?
Photo is really working good.
I take an unwanted build-up. I am Gare.
Boss, what happened, boss?
What happened,
Get it,
boss?
Hey, give me the sword. I will kill him.
Anyway, we are in market. Buy me a flower.
hey, you will never change, is it? Go that side.
Hey,
Take your hands off.
where are you going?
Did
I'll
you
go
see?
wherever
Now
I
you
want.
blame me.
Why the police are coming here? Are they really looking for me?
Anjali!
Thank God, he saw it.
Sister, you invited me to insult here? Come on, tell me.
I told you not to do this. Did you listen? Gone. Everything is gone. For her, my brother who was working in Africa has left everything now.
This fellow quit his job in Africa. What did he do there?
Hey, just tell me I'm Africa return. Don't talk what I do there. Insulting again.
Anjali, what is all this? Once I see someone's face, I can tell
Yes.
you what he thinks, how his character, how he behaves, and all that.
Exactly.
But now, I'm not able to find what is in my daughter's mind.
Why don't you know? She's holding the hand of a guy in the market in front of everyone. Actually, you have to fire yourself after watching this. In other case, you're scolding me.
Hey, you.
What, darling? It is not the right time to give a flying kiss.
Dad, everybody are scared of this family. So the reason? Gemini is not ready to get married.
Who is he?
They are scared because he might get connect with any girl. I'm your daughter. Will I go like that?
You run if you leave.
That's why I pretend to love.
Anjali, you're acting?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
If you didn't come there, he might propose me. I would have told you this, and you might put him behind the bars.
See, how did she plan?
Till now, Thiruvenkatam might feel proud of their family, but now they might feel hesitant. Then family's respect will wash out. You spoiled it, Dad.
Can I believe you?
Uncle, she is your daughter. Believe her.
Dad, I'm promising you as you are more important than my mom. Believe me, Dad.
What is she saying, man?
Even now I'm telling you, don't trust her.
You leave now. Whose daughter is she?
It's also your doubt. Why are you doubting this, uncle? By insulting my sister? Sister, go and get ready for lunch. Don't care about all these things. Go. Please go. I can't bear all this. If I see him again in front of my eyes, I smash him. Hey,
Boss?
see, did he came? I will use all my talent what I learned in
Not yet,
Africa.
boss.
Not yet? Watch again. No one watched my fight
dear
yet.
Not yet,
Lord,
boss.
if my husband comes back, I'll give blankets to needy people.
Oh, my mother.
Please.
Mother,
Huh?
show this concern to your husband first.
Yeah, get lost, man.
What
Why are you
nonsense?
coming
God is
with
not an
enemy?
inspector to take your complaint. You are doing real nonsense here. You are watching serials all the
I
time.
was too hungry to eat that, but this guy is sitting here only from 15 minutes.
Coconut is here. Hey,
Boss,
go and watch him again. Sorry, God.
Boss.
Did he come?
not yet, boss.
Go and watch seriously again.
Boss.
What, man?
I checked it very clearly. He's not coming.
You saw this, right? Go take, we will eat. Look at his face, looking like a beggar.
Puliyogre.
Give me a little bit.
Boss,
Huh?
now I get to know why her husband left her. If she cooks like this, who will stay?
Hey, if it is the matter, so many husbands will have to run. You want to eat it or leave it?
Huh? I am too hungry. I will only.
Hey, idiot! Go and watch him. Doing
He's
nonsense.
not leaving me to eat properly.
If he came.
Not yet.
Huh? Hey,
Huh?
go and watch him.
Huh?
If he
Not yet.
letting me to speak. If
Boss,
he
boss,
comes,
boss.
Huh?
He came.
Oh, he came. You bloody! Let him come.
Hey, who the hell are you?
Can't you see his style properly? He is the one who is marrying Anjali. Africa written.
So you are Gemini.
I only heard about America written. What is Africa written?
That's the color combination. Don't talk unwanted. They fixed Anjali to me when she born.
Is it super?
In between us, why you came?
Shit. She is roaming around me asking me to love her. I tried telling this to her father also. Now you have come. Talk to your in-laws and ask them to get her married to you and get settled in Africa. Instead of bothering me like this and stopping me halfway. This time I stopped. Next time I'll hit you and go.
Boss, then you're not loving her, right?
Come here. I swear on you I don't love her.
Super, boss. Then I will not wait for a minute. Before that, there is a guy in the next road. He is roaming behind my Anjali. I will go first and beat him. Then I will go to my uncle and talk about my marriage. Hey, bloody, who is
He's
he?
a big idiot than you.
I will look after him today. Come on.
leave
I will
it.
smash him today.
So
Come.
sad. I don't know how to tolerate all these.
Hey, Uddara Pandey. Do my marriage with your daughter, man.
Boss, why are you drinking raw, boss?
Night my uncle beat me.
Oh,
I want to beat him, so I'm drinking this.
what happened exactly, boss?
Hey,
What?
why are you standing here like watchman?
No comments, uncle.
Why, do you want some meat?
Sister will take care of that.
Then,
I want Anjali.
the DVD will be in the cupboard. You should have asked your sister.
It's a great joke, uncle. I'm asking your daughter Anjali.
You come here, eat, sleep, pray and get out of this house. You're asking for my daughter's hand?
Hey, then whom should I ask? The man in the road?
Hey,
Huh?
if you ask for my daughter again, I will shoot you.
Stop showing this toy gun to me, okay? Uncle, I want Anjali. Otherwise, I will die here only.
You should not stay here at all. Go.
Hey, Uttarapandi.
Good thing he left you alive.
Hey, now I don't have Anjali. Then what is the meaning to my life?
So, boss, have you decided to die?
Hey,
Boss, should we bury you or burn you? Tell us and die.
Hey, why are you talking negative things with boss? Do you think he's an
hey,
idiot?
idiot. I will beat you in the face. I am in big confusion in how to attract her.
Why are you talking like this? Look at me. Though many of them have cheated me, do I feel anything about it?
Oh, madam, we have decided to marry our brother.
Oh, is it? Take this, take this. How?
Boss,
Huh?
how many videos we have
Hey,
watched?
what are you telling at her?
Boss, not that videos,
Then?
boss. We'll come to pump set by kidnapping sister. You go and do yo-yo. While you do yo-yo, sister will scream like, oh god, oh god. After that, everyone make her marry you.
Idea is good, but can I do it? Huh?
Boss,
Huh?
it is not possible from you, but we are still there to help you.
Hey, nonsense.
He's actually telling you to eat badam and pista to improve your body.
Oh, develop, right?
Yes, boss.
You better stay at the pump set tomorrow. We'll kidnap the sister.
Boss,
Huh?
but we need a car, no?
Car?
Huh?
I will arrange it, man.
Huh?
Huh?
Dear,
Huh?
don't do this. Please don't listen to them. They will fix you up in something.
Don't worry about him. You go inside first, go. Go! Go then.
God.
Disturbing here.
Leave this, boss. Tomorrow we'll kidnap sister.
Kidnap her.
I will all do yo-yo with her.
Hey, all of us?
Hup.
I will beat you all. Only me. Tomorrow we will kidnap Anjali. Next we'll do yo-yo. Theatre is empty. Then what is he filling up? I don't get it. I think he's writing something.
Boss,
It's getting time. I'm hungry.
You expressed it, but I won't.
Boss, ask him, boss.
Gemini, we are waiting from 1 hour. You are keep writing on the empty notebook. This is not
That
fair.
means I'm not giving you attention, right? Go.
Bro, by your suggestion only I asked Anjali. But he beat me on the road, bro.
So what?
My friends told, if I kidnap and rape Anjali, then he will give her to me. For that you only...
So you want me to come and rape her? You won't do it.
Bro, listen to me. If you give your car, I will definitely keep your name to my son, Gemini
Boss,
Ganesha.
what if you get a girl?
I will
maybe?
put Gemini Ganesha. Shut
I
up.
can't give car and all. Keep going.
What's this, bro? You are given the idea. Then you have to give the car, right? That's fair, right?
Hey, all this won't work out. Keep going from here.
Hey, smart fellow. Asking for the last time. Will you give the car or not?
Hey, I told you I'll not give, right? Go.
Boys.
Yes, boss.
Attack him. Hey, if you come forward.
What? Huh? What are you thinking? Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Get up, man. Get up. What you guys are doing? Car only, no. I'll give you. Get up.
Will you give it, please?
Take and go.
Thank you, bro.
However you're giving, please fill the tank and give no.
Why? I will only drive also.
Plan won't work if he came. I will take the car in the morning, okay?
You take and go. While returning, you should clean and give.
No. Nothing will happen in the car. Only inside the pump set. Yo. I told them to bring fruit, but they bought plastic ones. Let me check these almonds are real. Oh, it's original. Oh, it's getting late. Where are they? Oh, the phone is ringing. Oh, it's our boy. Hello?
Brother, when is sister-in-law coming from school?
Why? To give the tiffin box, right? Hey, any updates, man?
Brother, that is okay. We are ready. Are you ready, brother?
Hey, I'm already ready, man. Come fast.
Brother, don't forget about the spray.
It is there. You come fast.
Okay, brother.
They took the car and went. What happened? Let's call and ask. Switched off. Hello?
Is it Gemini?
Yes?
It's speaking. Can you come to the station?
Why, sir?
You come, I'll tell you.
Sir, what would have happened? Why is he calling to station? Why do you call me, sir?
Can't you stay without problem?
What is the problem, sir?
Go inside, you'll come to know.
Oh my god. They told me to call someone. Let me check who is come here.
Hey, African groom.
What's man?
You got caught, is it?
Why are you kidding me, bro? Did you know what happened?
Tell me, let's listen to it also. It's my car.
Look at the wall. What spray is this? Where to use it? Let's try in the hand. Why it is standing like that? Come here. What nonsense is this? I spray it on the hand. If I sprayed on other place means, oh my god, the car sound is coming. Let's get ready, Pandey. Your darling is coming near to you. Anjali, yo. Hey, first time she is coming to my place. Tell her to put the right leg.
Slowly.
Hey,
Put it down.
hey, what is this, man? You bought her like a bunch of waste papers.
Boss, she not accepted to come, boss. So we bought like this.
Hey, take off your hand. Don't touch her. Open it. Today is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day. Hey, this is my sister.
Sister?
Yes.
She resembles sister-in-law. That's why you kidnapped.
Shut up. Bring the water.
Boss,
What?
we took lot of struggle. So at least can I do yo-yo?
I know you asked this. It's my sister. Spray the water. Sister? Hey, spray the water. Sister, wake her up. Oh my god. Sister, it's me, your brother. Oh my god, save me.
Why did you kidnap me?
We are not planned for you. I planned your daughter, but these guys confused.
Why do you want to kidnap her?
If I rape her, you will let her marry with me. This is what they told. It's a good idea, right? Look, sister.
All these days, my husband only was telling you not to come home.
Yes.
Now I'm telling you.
What, sister?
Hereafter, if you come near my
If
home,
I come?
I'm going to kill you.
You will kill me? Sister, 1 second. I have told you many times, get dressed and make up according to your age. I told you, don't you listen to me?
Yes, boss. That's why we were confused.
See? So they confused.
It would have been big news tomorrow.
They are seeing you in a bad way even if you are my sister. There is so much lipstick also.
See what I'll do.
Sister, don't call the taxi. Guys,
Yes, boss.
drop my sister to home and bring Anjali here.
Okay, boss.
Go.
Boss,
Yo.
I will take her home very safely.
I told you to pack the flowers. Who told you to wear it?
Boss,
Wear it. Go.
leave
Keep
it.
there.
He's going.
This is what happened.
You grew like one buffalo.
Yes.
You don't know how to kidnap a girl. And your desire is to rape her.
Bro, only I missed this one. Next time I will do it perfectly, bro. I'm sorry.
Who?
Huh?
You couldn't do it this time properly and he's gonna do it next time, it seems.
What?
Go, man.
Who is that, bro? Hey, I will not let her to go.
Gemini, where are you going?
I'm going home.
You're not guest, accused. Go see DSP.
Why?
Go, man.
Morning, sir. What is she doing here?
Welcome, Mr. Gemini Ganeshan. So you plan to kidnap my mom?
Hello, I didn't give the car to kidnap your mom. I gave the car to kidnap you.
Brother, when DSP is not there, you try to kidnap her and get married, huh?
Sir,
Madam, you give complaint. I will arrest the whole family and put behind bars.
Not required, uncle. Just make him sign on this white paper.
why there?
To grab your assets.
Brother, car is yours, na?
Yeah.
Then you sign it.
From now on, wherever I call, you have to come. Tomorrow's schedule I'll give you now. Tomorrow we are going to Shiva temple.
I can't come there and all.
Hello, be careful.
Why?
You have signed on the white paper. Understood?
I'll come.
How will you come?
How should I come?
By bullet.
I'll come in that only. You're turning your face, is it?
How will you come?
How should I come?
By bullet.
Hey, our brother is finally fall in love.
Good.
Hey,
you
what
came.
are you saying? Sit soon.
Let's move.
Hey, maintain some distance. Don't cross your limits.
Hey, look over there. Stop the vehicle.
What,
What, Gemini? From childhood you were saying you hate love. Now you're roaming with this teacher. Huh?
Devda, is it new to his family?
Hey, I'm telling you even now, I don't love anybody.
Then what's the meaning for this?
See?
Hello. We roam together. We eat ice cream. We'll watch movie. We'll do whatever we want. So don't think that we are in love. Nobody can force anyone to love. It should just happen. Yes, he didn't love me. For that reason, you people don't come and insist him to love me. But I love him. What? It's a fact, right? Understood? Start the bike.
Hey, what da?
Hey, let me go.
Tomorrow we are going out. Now leave.
Hey, what's all this? Brother, stop it! I should be the one to kill him.
Leave it.
Give that to me. I'll kill him.
Kill him.
Die!
Give the sword. Give the sword. Give.
Hey!
Brother, let's go. Come, brother.
Let's
Come,
run.
brother.
Run.
Come, brother. Start the vehicle.
In the beginning, I thought you were just an ordinary man, but in just 2 days you came out. You showed your true power, darling. How's that, dear?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
In the morning, a policeman's breakfast is stolen. Afternoon, the writer's carrier is stolen.
Oh, is it? Then it's a problem, right?
Yeah. Night, one more policeman has to go rounds with my uncle.
Huh? Who's that?
That's the Yeto. Even his dinner is also stolen, so all together inquired about it.
Huh?
Finally, they get to know it was me.
How did they find out, dear?
I didn't wash my hands, so they identified me by smell. You know, that night they beat me very much. That's what you're seeing it now.
Shit.
There is a chili chicken is there. Can you find it?
Chili chicken, is it? No, dear. This is half boiled.
It's in the Yeto's lunchbox.
After all, how did they let you outside?
Yeto let me go outside. Come in front of me. In that pain, it's impossible to tolerate the hunger. I stolen my uncle's
Oh my
box.
God. Then that person would have taken his gun. no?
They are trying to shoot me also. They will do if I did a murder. It's a small kidnap case, right? That's why they brought me in front of judge.
What did the judge say?
What could he say? Stealing the food is not a big crime in this country. So he let me go out.
Even if they let you, would you have simply come? They don't even have the courtesy to give some food to people. You should have asked them question and made them embarrassed.
I did that.
Is it?
I lightly asked it.
What did you ask, dear?
I asked for a mutton biryani.
Why do you ask biryani? If you say yes, I am ready to provide you the full meals.
The salt is cool now. Now you are getting heat. Get inside. Huh?
Idiot.
Oh my God! I told you to go in.
I know I'm going.
If my sister has came to know about this, she will pour that hot water on my head. I escaped it.
Shankar. Jai Shankar. Detective Jai Shankar.
Already Gemini Ganesh and now Jai Shankar also. He looks like an Andhra person. DSP is calling you.
Excuse me.
Huh?
1 minute.
Eh?
Thank you.
Ah.
Hello, sir. I'm Jai Shankar, detective. Thank you.
I'll give you 1 week's time. I want to know whether she is in love with somebody. I want full details, you understand?
You hand it over to me. You don't have to worry, sir. If she's in love with a good guy or a bad guy, I'll hand over the report to you within a week, sir. So why are you looking like that? Diana's love affair was actually discovered by my father. This is international secret, sir. Please don't tell it to anyone. That's it. Just a moment. It's okay. We can click a selfie after the assignment. Bye. Thank you.
What is this, sir? You're doubting on your daughter.
No. My daughter says she's just acting. But still I was able to find out a small lie in her eyes. I have my own doubts. But still I have hope on my daughter.
Do whatever you want, sir.
Tell me, uncle.
Madam, your father is doubting on you. Whether you're loving Gemini or not, to know that, he's asked one guy to follow you.
How does he look like, uncle?
He looks like an old Telugu movie hero.
I saw him, uncle. I'll take him.
Hey, is it fresh?
Madam, order please.
Do wait.
Okay, madam.
Anjali Devi is here. Where is Gemini Ganesan?
Anything else? Okay.
He's here.
Why, Gemini? You're too late? Always boy should wait for girl. But girl should never wait for boy.
In our matter, everything is opposite only. So it's fine.
Madam, order please.
Chocolate milkshake.
Sir.
For me.
Hello. He'll take whatever I tell. Bring 2.
Super, madam.
Hey,
Sir,
take.
do you want the order late, sir?
Come soon.
What?
I should go to theater. It's late.
Give me the milkshake.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Can you give them in this plate?
No, sir, I can't do that.
Is it? Now say it.
No, I can't, sir. Are you coming daily, sir?
If I have work, I'll come here.
Enjoy, sir.
Hey, what are you doing?
What, Gemini? Didn't you sleep last night?
Yeah.
Understood. Just because you spent your day with me, you didn't get sleep.
We had a power cut, so because of mosquito, I couldn't sleep.
I thought they will have a romantic conversation, but instead they're talking about power cut and all.
Drink.
I don't need. Hey, give me the bill. It's already late. I'll leave.
Wait, let me come.
Hey, don't
What,
touch.
sir?
All our evidence.
I'll take the money, sir.
Hey, go
Such
man
a
now.
Crazy guy.
Hey, this is the park.
This one, boss.
If they are there, it means they have transitioned from love to lust.
Is it for lust, boss?
Do you want me to discuss it with you? Idiot fellow.
Boss, phone is ringing.
Small or big one?
Small one, boss.
It's from small house. Don't pick. Very danger. Operation Anjali. We are at the end. We just have 2 or 3 more places. If it's confirmed, I'll give the report to DSP. After receiving the payment, I will leave. Next operation is in Mumbai. Get ready, folks. Boss, look at the condition of this place now.
I was like a lion. The DCP played with me. He should know what the pain is. We should teach him a lesson.
If that means, let's kidnap her wife and show him the pain.
If you kidnap his wife, he'll be happy only.
Brother, she has a daughter, brother.
Then kidnap her.
Hi Lakshmi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about family?
All are doing good.
In spite of you having a big family, your son is going to look at the bride all alone is really hurting me. Forget about others. You're his mom. You can go, right?
Hey,
Huh?
what you're going like a thief?
Me and Jimmy are going to look for a bride.
What, brother? Let's go.
Let's go.
Then come.
Wait a minute, dear. I too will come.
What is this?
Wait, let's see.
Where mother and son are going? Father-in-law, ask them.
Hey, where are you going?
I cannot wait more after this.
What do you mean?
He will not do any love marriage. So whichever girl he likes will get him married to her, no.
You know our family tradition, right?
What big tradition?
More than your tradition, my son's life is more important to me.
Hey, tell it to him.
So what?
So I'll go see the girl and finish the matter now.
Don't leave.
Whoever wants to come with me from here can join me.
That's what. No one will come.
That I know very well. I will search a beautiful girl and marry him to her.
Hey, Luz.
Talk him and stop him.
Yeah, Hey, go.
Father-in-law.
Come, mom.
Wait, mother-in-law, even I'll come. Even I'll come, no? Mother.
I know about you very well, dear. I'll kill you. You'll spoil everything over there, so you don't have to come. Hey.
I'll come. Mother-in-law, I'll come.
Uncle, clothes are dried. Go and fold them. I'll go and come. Bye.
Get out your nonsense.
Dad, give divorce to your wife.
Father-in-law, time has come. Now you have to become a villain. Did you see how your wife behaved? Nothing will work, I think. Let me go to theater.
I had eaten stolen food for 3 days.
Take it, dear.
Enough.
Eat
I
properly.
told you it's
no?
enough.
Eat, baby. You will be healthy. After that,
You go inside. What's the matter, guys?
Hey, look at the transformation of our boss.
You keep eating fish and egg here. A guy is going to eat sister over there.
Who is he? Do you have Aadhaar card?
Brother, you won't believe if I say I brought a photo.
Let me see.
He's more beautiful than you. He's fair too.
You are right. He's looking good than me. One king should be there in a forest, not the two. Hey, bring him and bring him to me.
Okay, boss.
We don't have strength to beat and bring them, boss.
Okay, bring him by talking.
Brother, give us auto fare.
Don't play with me. Go, all of you.
Boss, until you finish this fish head, his head will be here.
Go.
Okay, boss.
There is no use in trusting them. Now I will get into the field. Keep watching. You will come to know my... Huh? Where is that photo? Why is she looking at it?
Sweet boy.
Sweet boy? He's looking like a bloody alien. Is he sweet boy? Nonsense. Very bad taste you have.
Oh God.
What da?
No one wanted to join me, right? I have seen a very beautiful girl for my son.
Brother, when girl's family is coming here, ask the priest to come home. We'll look for the good day and fix the wedding.
Okay, brother.
Not only that, the whole village has to talk about the marriage. Everyone, please do attend the marriage.
All
I'm
should
inviting
come without
everyone
fail.
over here.
Yes.
Oh, look. Come, dear. Come, dear. Do you see how beautiful she is?
Ah.
What, dear? Did Dad tell you something?
No, auntie. I came to see uncle.
Huh?
To see uncle.
To meet uncle. Why?
Hey, stop it. You please come.
What, dear? What is
Not
this?
sure, mom.
Tell me.
Uncle, over there I agreed I like your son. But now I tell the truth. I did not like your son.
Huh?
What the hell is this?
Are you serious?
Yes, uncle. Taking birth in such a traditional family, your son, without knowing how to love, is searching for brides. If a person doesn't know how to love, how do I marry him?
I promise you, I don't know anything.
After marriage, how can he show some love to me? I thought I'd tell this to him and called him. He didn't come. I asked my dad to give the phone number. Even he didn't give. That's why I only came to your home to talk to you. And also, uncle, I want a favor from you.
Please tell me.
Kumar?
Who is it? He looks like Abbas in Acid Ad.
Oh, look. Who is this?
I love this person actually.
You.
But his father, running behind money, is trying to separate us. You have to somehow get us married.
Don't kill
What the
me.
hell
I
is
don't know
happening here?
anything, brother.
God bless you both. Get up. You are same as my daughter. Whatever the situation comes, let his father do whatever he wants. I will be with you guys. Your love will win. Now go home happily.
Thank
Don't
you,
be
uncle.
scared.
All the best, man. You can keep
All
going.
the best.
My dear wife,
You took me
you
to
went
wedding.
on a
brother.
mission.
I don't know.
But what happened? It failed. Your son Zodiac is Kanya. He's going to get love marriage. Don't forget that. What's wrong with this girl? Your son is simply roaming all over. Let him do whatever he wants. You are fixed for him. Don't worry, dear.
Why should I feel worried, uncle? When I have a major support from this family, I don't have any kind of fear.
Let's see.
Poor Gemini.
Hmm.
His plan got failed.
Stop it. Hey, that girl is ready, right?
Yes, ready.
Look here and listen to me carefully. Just in 1 week, I see a beautiful girl than her. If I don't get married to her, don't call me Gemini.
Boss, he's put one guy behind that girl as an escort.
First, take care of him. Next, don't miss the girl. If anybody stops, just finish them. I will look after.
Okay, boss. Slowly, come.
Beat him! Beat him, I said! Yes! Hey! Beat
Not
him!
escort, no.
Don't leave
See,
him.
now what will
Attack.
happen to you? Hey, hit him,
How
man.
dare you.
Don't leave him. Beat him.
Hey, come! Hey! Sister,
Run,
coming,
run, run.
come!
I can't see no one. It's punctured. Even she can't be seen. What is happening?
Hey, go fast. Go fast.
Don't stop!
Yes,
Come on, go.
Don't stop. Go faster. Hey, come on! Catch her! Come on! Come!
Come on!
Hey!
Fast! Hey! Stop!
Hey!
Don't leave her!
Hey!
Attack!
Hey!
Come on! Fast!
Hey!
Hey!
Come.
Don't leave her!
Hey!
If you stand near Goddess statue, will she save you? Hey! Go finish her!
You thought God will come and help her. I will come, man.
Hey!
Che? Hey, stop there. Stop. Stop, man. Hey, who are they? Huh?
I don't know.
That day one group attacked me. Today they attacked you. Only issues after you coming.
Hey, drop me near my vehicle.
You better go by walk. Only then you'll understand.
I'll be here until you come.
Be here. I don't care.
I know you will come back.
Don't keep talking. Before change your mind, come and sit. Hey, don't touch me.
I don't touch.
Assignment is going to end now.
What, dear? You seem to be so much happy in love.
Of course.
But tomorrow you're going to cry.
Because the boy who's in love with you, we are going to kill him.
Who are you? Why are you going to kill him?
Your father separated my sister's love. That's why he died. Not able to bear that pain, my sister also died. Today my family is without peace.
If we kill him now, you are going to die because of the pain. Even your father, thinking about that, will die.
Have you gone mad? My dad won't suffer if you kill him. I shall die. The thing is, I'm the one who is loving
Brother,
him. He is not loving me.
What is this?
Brother!
Hey, what you doing?
Get up.
Brother, you're thinking your sister has died. Instead that, can't you take me as a sister? You let your sister die in love failure. Please don't let the sister die again.
Brother,
Brother?
our sister didn't die.
Yes, brother.
Here onward, she is our sister.
Even if my dad won't agree, my love has to win.
Don't worry. If anyone stands against your love, I'll behead personally and I'll make sure you'll be together. We are with you.
Thanks a lot.
After receiving the payment, I'll have lots of food.
Boss, someone has stolen the side stand.
What? They've taken the side
Yes,
stand.
boss.
Hey, how many cases should I deal with? Shit! Pull! Come.
Yes, boss.
Out.
What is all this?
All evidence with fingerprints.
Is the report
The
ready?
things you order might be late for 5 minutes, but Jai Shankar's report will always be very fast.
Why did you seal this?
Romance include feel, secrets include sealed. That is a fact, sir.
Is my daughter loving that boy?
Are you in doubt? She's going to rape the guy in the road itself, sir.
What are you saying?
Yes, sir. They have reached to the lust level. By the by, actually looking at the speed of the girl, she's like this from the birth itself. According to my report, her mother, her entire family are the same, sir. Okay, sir. I just finished my assignment. My next operation is in Mumbai. Alia Bhatt told me to follow Ranbir Kapoor, sir. So, please give me the
Hey.
payment.
What nonsense are you talking with whom? I'm going to.
Sir, don't shoot him. Hey, come outside. What, man?
Sir, I thought he will give me the payment, but he's showing me the gun, sir.
You know who's that girl? She is his daughter only. You couldn't figure this out? You are detective. Your name is Jai Shankar. You need an assistant also. Get out.
Sir, the thing is...
What? Do you need payment? Come. Come.
He will definitely shoot me up, boy.
Hey, first change your name. Tea selling boy became detective.
Gemini, I like you so much. Do you like me or not?
I started liking you, Anjali. But I hate love. I don't know why. Please understand.
Hey! You also have been playing along with her and made me a fool, right?
Dad,
Sir.
take out your hand. I'm loving Gemini.
What is this, Anjali? Sir!
Please come, sir.
I failed.
What do you mean, sir?
As you said, my daughter told me that she is in love with your son. I accept my defeat.
Sir, it's not that you are loser and I'm the winner. Love is the winner. My family is just like library, sir. You can find in library Quran, Bhagavad Gita, Bible, everything. Like same way, I have all those three in my home. Look over there, sir. Your daughter didn't fall in love for my son. She saw her family and fell in love. Please accept this marriage. I will take care of her.
Hey, I'm asking you to control your son and you're asking for my daughter? Listen to what I say. My daughter will get married on this Sunday. The first invitation is for you. Come and attend with your family. He won't suit her. No. No, this is not going to help.
Shit!
Hey, why did you turn off the cooker so soon? Mutton will not be boiled. My brother is not here to eat the raw ones.
Uncle, I want Anjali. Otherwise, I will gonna die here only.
Jyoti, ask your brother to come.
Why? To eat the mutton?
He is going to be our son-in-law.
Anjali? Hey, what's all this?
Are you happy now? I loved you so much, right? You thought my love was game. If I don't get you, my decision will be very bad.
Anjali? Anjali?
Hey, what do you want?
Sir, you are taking wrong decision in anger. Anjali is loving Gemini truly, sir. Don't kill this love, sir. You just say okay. We forget all what happened. Tomorrow morning we all will come to your house. As your wish, we shall make this arranged marriage. Our children's life is important, sir. Please accept.
I will not fall for your sentiments. This Sunday she is going to get married, as I said. Come and attend. Start.
Dad, why is he saying like that?
Don't bother about him. If you scratch, the thorn won't come out. You should pluck it off.
What are you saying, Dad?
If we kidnap the bridegroom, the marriage won't happen.
He is heavyweight, Dad.
Hey,
Dad, I will kidnap him at any cost.
that's it. Call that knockout.
We bought him only to listen to us, right? Do you agree?
Okay, sir. I will tell.
Hey!
Tell me, boss. Okay, boss. I will kidnap. Hey, look here, man.
Hey, Gemini.
Hey, he's here only.
Come, guys.
Hey, what happened?
What, bro? You're sitting alone and drinking?
What else can I do? All of a sudden, Anjali's marriage is fixed. So I don't know what to do now.
In our Jamni Ganeshan family, love should not at all fail. Now we are saving Jamni. We'll do anything for you.
Tell me, bro.
Yes, bro.
Let's kidnap the girl.
What are you talking?
We're kidnapping Anjali in the same conventional hall. We're gonna call all our friends and family, and I'm gonna get married to her. Her love and my aim both will happen.
Hey, it's not enough. Fill it up.
Boss, this is not our drink. We paid money and bought it.
Brother, we should not leave him alone.
I can't believe you all guys. I will get into the field tomorrow. I will kidnap that bride. What a wonderful coffee. I am the best coffee maker in this world. Good, good. It's very tasty. I think the people who have kept coffee shops in highways, they should learn how to make coffee from me. Superb.
Greetings, master.
Brother,
Huh?
who are you all?
Money Iyer sent us.
I asked him to send 4 guys who will work smarter, not like this fatter. You guys are not looking like a cooks. You guys look like who have come to eat here. And you are looking like a big tank.
You also exactly look like a current pole. We should accept you as our master.
Look, man, giving the punch dialogues and making something nonsense. Don't keep it in front of me. When you come here, you should follow and obey my orders, okay? Or else I will make you fry. Got it?
We got it.
Such a idiot fellows.
Welcome, welcome. Are you good? Yeah, please come.
Who? Next to Angel, there's Devil. Idiot DSP.
La 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 la. Don't waste all the ingredients, okay?
It's empty, brother.
Did you give it to anybody? What? Okay, go. What is this guy? I don't think he's a cook. How is he going to work an injured leg? La 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 la. Hey, Chimachu.
Tell me, brother.
Where's the curry vessel?
I've kept over there.
Oh, is it? Very good. No one can prepare sambar like this Ramaya makes. First, I want to take copyrights on this. Oh. Lot of chili is there. What shall I do now? What shall I do? If I add some water, I think it will be better. Where is water? Water, water.
He touched my collar and talked to me. Before kidnapping that bride, we should kidnap this light ball.
Brother, don't be tensed. First you put one round.
Yo, why I did like this? I have put lot of chili to sambar. What shall I do now? What's this, man? Water is somewhat bitter. What you all guys are doing here? Are you guys planning to do anything for me? Better you all understand one thing. This Ramaya is a great person that no one can touch him, no one can do anything.
That person will not survive also.
Hey, who is that? Who is that? Hey, why you guys are sitting like this? Get up, go and do your works. Look, this water is spicy. I think sambar is also because of this. Don't drink this, okay? Come fast.
Welcome, welcome. Hey kids, careful, hold my hand. Yeah?
Ask them to be seated in the first row.
Yeah.
Tying the knot should be visible for them.
All right.
What, father-in-law? What, A2?
What, you're dressed up as if you're only the groom?
What, you're asking as if you don't know anything. You were together helping us in everything.
Go, don't fix me out.
Greeting to my in-laws.
I told him to eat and gift and go.
Look at his
Please
arrogance.
Is everything ready?
Yes, Dad.
You had your food.
Keep quiet.
Brother,
Uh,
vehicle is about to start. You say yes, I'll speak to DSP and make you the driver. Then only my vehicle will start, no?
Hey, go man.
Eh? No use of talking to you. Being born in Virgo, no interest in
Hey,
girls.
what the hell is this?
Hello, father-in-law.
Very beauty.
Hey, Jamni is calling.
Ask him what?
Tell Jamni.
The girl is still in the conventional hall, man. When are you going to kidnap her?
You don't worry about that, Jamni. We made a very good sketch to kidnap her. We don't care about security. Be free.
Okay, make it quick.
We'll finish it, Jamni. Hey, what are you guys doing? What? You are getting ready for Prashant Nil movie, yeah? Hey, make it fast.
Please come. Go inside.
What? Only boy family is coming?
Hey,
Eh?
who invited these people?
How do I know, sir? Hello, who called you all? Groomers invited us. Get in.
Why have your brother asked him to come here?
Maybe Facebook followers. Let them go. Yeah, please come.
Welcome. What next? Christian people are coming? Father, who called you?
Welcome.
Groom only invited us. Goga.
Hey, who are they? Eh? Has he gone mad? Eh?
Next Brahmins, huh? Who invited you? Groomers invited us. Go slowly. Eat nicely.
How many people have your brother invited? Eh?
Huh? What is it?
You were staring at that woman, right? He is her husband.
Please go. Hey, what work for a cook over here?
Answer me this. You said minimum 500 people, but now 1000 has crossed over. Still, how much I should add water? Sambar became rasam, rasam became buttermilk. And one more thing. Someone has boozed and walking all over this place. I don't know who is that.
Hey, in marriage house, everything will be like that only. Don't you know that? Go see your work, man. More people are coming in 2 lorries.
Ask a water tanker to come. I will look after everything.
Go, man.
Oh, my head is spinning off.
Lose, man.
Hey, go and check once.
Yes, sir. Hey, come on. Come. Come, we should tell Dad. Come.
What is this?
Biryani.
Who ordered?
Groom only, sir.
Huh? Nonsense. Look at your brother. Can't he live for a day without eating mutton?
Let it go. Maybe he like to eat now.
Pay them first.
What? Make him Dad.
Thank you, sir.
Let the marriage get over. Every day I will have a special treat for you.
What is that? Biryani. Biryani, yeah. He didn't tell me, no. Is this gentleman work? Hey, what, man?
I have a small doubt.
What is it?
You keep one sword with you. If you keep 2 swords, it fights always.
Hey, whatever you want to tell properly.
You have booked me here to cook, okay? Now why you are bringing food from outside? You are insulting me. How dare you?
Hey, it's non-veg, man.
So what? Who said I am not able to cook non-veg? You know my biryani recipe. If I start cooking, all will come for that smell
It's
itself.
okay, man. Next marriage, I will give the contract to you only.
I don't want if you give me or not. But some drunken guy is following me always. Find out him and put in station. Will you find him or shall I talk to your DSP right now?
Hey, that guy is already angry. He will shoot you.
Then you only find him. Find him.
I found it. After the marriage, I will finish him.
That's like a very, very good boy.
Please get the boy here.
Please call the boy.
You know what?
Hey, what
My
happened?
brother is missing.
Go see in kitchen. He'll be eating
I
biryani.
first checked there only. Then I saw the whole wall. I didn't find him anywhere.
Stop eating and ask the boy to come out.
Wherever is the boy, please call him faster. Hey, we are only worried that groom is missing. Why are you shouting?
God.
Hey, groom is missing, it seems. Come, let's go and eat.
Hi.
Thank God my brother is here.
Stop it.
Where did you go? To the salon, is it? Okay, come. It's already late.
Sister, 1 minute. Wi-Fi? She will take little time. Just wait. What are you
Hey.
staring at?
What's this?
Huh? Can't you see? I married her.
Hey,
Why are you shouting? From my childhood, I dreamed Anjali as my wife. I came from Africa in a stolen passport. But you are insulted me to give her. You insulted me, beat me and stood me up in the road. On the time I'll feel like orphan. She helped me on that time. She gave me food and shelter also. She is already a very painful person in her personal life. We have to understood others' feelings also. She just give me a chance, but I gave her a life. Hey, forfeit, don't laugh. If I had one more life, in that life also I love you.
hey, you
What?
stupid
Hey,
fellow.
why
I'm
are you
going
showing
to
your
kill
gun?
you.
Huh? Are you going to kill me? Huh?
Hereafter, if anybody tries to hurt him a bit,
Uh-uh.
I'm there here to question.
Damn.
How is my wife?
Why did you invite the whole town to just get married to her? You horrid talabakan
Hey,
biryani.
monkey face uncle. You are invited them and you are blaming on me. Why? Huh?
Who the hell invited you?
Groom only invited.
See,
Hey, it's not me, Ugar
then
party.
who the hell?
Looks like a burnt crow. Is he the groom?
Let's see
Then who is it? Who asked you to come?
Oh, it's our Gemini Ganeshan. Hey, what kind of police you are? Can't you find the... Hey, uncle, I'm talking to you.
Hey, all of these people have come with a plan. Just check for our daughter.
I know very well about my sister's daughter. Let's go for lunch. Huh? Hey, uncle, will you come? He's not in mood. Go.
Listen to me. You know what happened? Anjali's missing.
What are you saying? Where is my daughter?
Why are you asking me?
Who should I ask?
What? Go, sir.
DSP sir, you can ask me. I gave you money but you rejected and sent me to the prison. So now I kidnapped your girl. What will you do now? Will you resign for your job or get transferred? First talk to your daughter. Hey, give the phone to that girl.
Before we kidnap the girl, he kidnapped us. Whose sister? Who's going to kidnap? Hey!
Hey, sit down. Bloody you.
Sir. You want your daughter, right? Gemini,
Dad.
I don't know what you do. She should be here in 10 minutes.
Okay, Dad.
Shall we go with him?
Let him go alone.
Keep blowing in it.
Shut up.
Hey, it's Groom. Tell me, Groom.
Hey, super guys. As we expected, the wedding is stopped. Get Anjali soon.
Hey, bro, we still didn't kidnap her.
What are you saying, man?
Yes, bro.
You said you had a big sketch and all?
Bro, we were ready with the plan, but forgot to put the diesel.
the hell are you telling? Then you didn't kidnap Anjali.
No, bro, we didn't kidnap.
What the hell? Put the phone down.
300 rupees diesel. Hey. He hanged it.
Anjali vehicle is here. Why is it parked here? Hey, go man, go that side. What are you doing here?
Can't you see? Love failure. So I'm gonna drink.
Hey, come, let's go.
Will you tie the knots? Tell me.
For that only I'm calling.
Huh?
Yes, come.
Everybody have a drink and come.
For God's sake, you came on time. Please leave me, sir. I will leave all this and live happily.
Go. Run fast, get lost.
Hi, sis.
In-law.
Hey,
Hey, what? Are you going to kill him?
you stay off, little bear.
Okay, uncle.
Come, my son-in-law. Tie the knot within the auspicious time. Come. Everybody come. All of you.
Finally,
Thanks,
Gemini
brother.
did it.
Please come.
Dad.
Hey man, they've changed the groom.
If groom has changed, what for us? If bride has changed, what for us? Payment is okay, na?
Double okay.
Then what? Give him the thread.
Gatti mela. May God bless you.
Stop it, bro.
What
Stop
are you?
it.
Hey, why, man?
Is this arranged marriage or love marriage? Please confirm it.
What nonsense is this?
I will tell. As my son's wish, it's arranged marriage.
No. Like my daughter desired, this is a love
What
marriage.
are you saying?
Even my efforts would not have brought such a good son-in-law.
Let's say,
Hey, shut up, man.
hey, talent, hey man.
I love you.
Hey, come son, we'll go for
I will also come.
Oi, oi,
Hey,
oi.
I'm the operator
Wait,
for this
wait,
movie.
wait.
Hey, I will kick your butt now.
Hey, sorry, brother. Okay. Hey, keep your hands back, man.
If we keep our hand and keep quiet, we are not called Manmadan.
Is it? What will you do if I keep my hands on your wife? Huh? Speak out, man. Have a nice day.
Hey, the hotel is not nice. I want a nice house.
Yes, sir. It's there in the Ramaswamy Street. Hey, your words are right. Do you have daughter, sir?
Yes, she's in 3rd grade.
Look, they have started the next generation.